Welcome. In this video I want to talk about my APC UPS. So I went away for a couple days, and when I got home I heard a tone. So I came down to my computer equipment and I heard it was coming from this APC, and it was shut off. So my equipment was down, and I was kind of bummed that my APC failed. So I went and I took the battery out. So on this, you slide this open, and here's the battery, and I pulled these cords out from the back of it, and it was actually real hard to pull these out, but I got them out, and I tested this, and it was at like 9 volts, and I just tested it now, and it was like 6 volts, so the battery's bad, and I was a little bummed. But then I got to looking at it, and it has this little icon here, and it says 5, and it seems like I should replace this every 5 years, and I Googled it, and I read something that said you should replace them every 3 to 5 years. So this is 6 years old. So, I think I was a little bummed that this was out, but I probably should have paid more attention and replaced this. I really should put a label on my UPSs on, when I bought them, or when they need to have the batteries replaced. So I don't know, is it APC's fault or my fault? Probably my fault. Okay, so I shot that clip a few days ago, and I had to start over again. So I had ordered this battery here on Amazon, and I got it out, and I noticed that these terminals were too small here. So this is a kind of a off-brand, I don't know what it is, it's a Synergy battery, and the terminals were the wrong size. So if you see here, these are like 1/4 inch, and these are, I think, 3/16 inch terminals. So these terminals are not the right size. So I contacted Amazon, and they gave me my money back, but I get to keep this battery, although I don't have much use for it. And I ordered a genuine APC brand battery here, which costs a little bit more, but it's lesson learned. So I'll put a link in the description of this battery, and if you buy one of these using my link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I got the actual battery it needs here. So as you can see, the terminals are the same size here. This thing was kind of broken loose in shipping. So I'm going to take this battery and I'm going to install it in the UPS, and then we'll turn on and make sure it's working. Before I do that, I'm going to throw a little double stick tape on this terminal protector. I don't think it's super important, but at least it'll be there. Okay. So when you replace these, it's pretty simple. You just want to make sure you have the red to red, black to black. I imagine it's not a good idea to swap those. And it looks like this thing, I tried to peel it off, but I think it can just stay on there. So I'm going to leave it on there. I don't know exactly what it's for. Okay. Actually, that tab made a nice little handle. I'll just fold it backwards now. I'll slide the lid back on. Okay, I plugged it in. Now I'm going to power it on. Okay, now I'll unplug it. I don't know if this came charged, but we'll try this. Okay, it's unplugged, and it's still powering here. So I think we're in good shape. So the lesson here is probably to go with the APC genuine batteries, and stay away from these unless you know absolutely sure that they're going to fit. I could have maybe made some adapters to put these on, but if it says it works for this, is a replacement for this battery, I expect the terminals to be the correct size. Another thing would be to put a label on this for 5 days from today, so I know to replace this battery again when it goes bad, and I could even put an item in my calendar so I don't run into the situation again. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that, and thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.